friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to make slow motion video on Poco phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, here firstly what you need to do is that you have to move on camera, right? After you have been moved on camera, here just slide on this side, and this is the more option. Just put here on the more option, and this is the slow motion. Okay, just click on here slow motion, and let's record some video. Let's show you how the slow motion video it's activate, it's capture. So let's pause now, stop it. Then now let's watch the slow motion video. Does it's good or not on the Poco phone camera? So you can say I was moving so fast, but now it's moving so slow. Okay, so this is called the slow motion video, and if you want to make the slow motion video, you can make the slow motion video easily without the apps. Okay, just on the Poco phone camera. On some other phones there is no option for the slow motion video. You can make the video like this, okay, easily on the camera. So friends, hope you love the video. If you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.